Modern medicine can examine the lungs without major surgery. Have you ever wondered how doctors can look inside your lungs without opening your chest? The answer is a procedure called bronchoscopy. A bronchoscopy allows doctors to examine the airways and lungs. It helps find the cause of problems like a long-lasting cough, coughing up blood, frequent lung infections, difficulty breathing, or abnormal findings on a chest X-ray or CT scan. The procedure begins after the patient is given medicine to help them relax. The throat is also sprayed with a numbing medicine, so the procedure is much more comfortable. The doctor then gently inserts a thin, flexible tube called a bronchoscope through the mouth or nose. At the tip of the bronchoscope is a tiny camera and a bright light. The tube slowly passes through the windpipe, also called the trachea, and into the airways of the lungs. The camera sends clear live images to a monitor, allowing the doctor to carefully examine the inside of the airways. Now comes the most important step. If the doctor sees mucus, blood, or another blockage, tiny instruments can be passed through the bronchoscope to remove it. If an unusual area is found, the doctor may take a small tissue sample, called a biopsy. This sample is sent to a laboratory to help find the exact cause of the problem. The doctor may also wash part of the lung with a small amount of sterile salt water and collect the fluid for testing. This helps detect infections and other lung diseases. Once the examination is complete, the bronchoscope is slowly removed. The entire procedure usually takes about 30 to 60 minutes. It is normal to have a mild sore throat or a slight cough for a short time after the procedure, but these symptoms usually improve within a day. A bronchoscopy gives doctors a clear view inside the lungs without major surgery, helping them find problems early and choose the best treatment for their patients.